Good morning, little Patines. Welcome in SST class. Children, chapter number 11, Water Resources, reading is going on. In my previous video, I told you that water is a natural resource. It's very important. मदर नेचर ने हमको बहुत से गिफ्ट दिए हैं और वाटर जो है इनमें से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो है वो गिफ्ट है. Okay, and I told you about the resources. As I told you that rain is the main source of water. Okay, and told you about surface water also that found in rivers, tanks, lakes and groundwater, which can be obtained through digging wells, pumping water through tube wells. Okay, so these are the examples of sources of water. And today we are going to discuss about very important topic, and that is multi-purpose projects. Dams को हम multi-purpose projects भी बोलते हैं. So today we are going to discuss about rivers, dams and multi-purpose projects. So let's start reading from page number 78. Okay children, so let's start. So children, before starting this topic, I just want to tell you one thing. We should not waste water, as I'm telling you that it's very precious. But one of the child, he was asking about, ma'am, there is so much of water available in the sea, lakes, and then why do you say that water is very much precious? We should not waste water. There's a lot of water on the earth's surface. Children, that is right. There is lot of water on the earth's surface, but most of the water in oceans, and that is salty, and that is not suitable for drinking, domestic use, agriculture use, or industrial purposes. Okay. And whereas water which can be utilized for these purposes is found in rivers, ponds and underground water. So that's why I told you to conserve water. We have to conserve water. It's our duty. Okay. So now today we are going to discuss about rivers, dams and multi-purpose projects. There are many rivers in India. The chief among these rivers, आपने नेम सुने होंगे इन रिवर्स की, गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र, गोदावरी, नर्मदा, कृष्णा, कावेरी, महानदी. These are the main rivers in India. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about Himalayan rivers make the northern plains very fertile. Okay, northern plain में alluvial soil, we can find alluvial soil here, and alluvial soil जो है वो किससे बनती है? जो river deposits करती हैं, silt, sand. Okay, so Himalayan rivers make the northern plains very fertile, and the deltas of the Ganga and some other rivers help us to grow certain crops. And dams are constructed across river, which in turn save the water of the rivers for irrigation. So what are dams? Dams होते हैं, barriers होते हैं. A barrier that stop the flow of surface water. उसका stop जो है वो जो उसका barriers that stop the flow of surface water. Okay, and उससे क्या होता है? Hydroelectric power भी बनती है. Hydroelectric power is made with water and passes through a dam. एंड इरिगेशन के लिए यूज होता है वो वाटर, फ्लड कंट्रोल होता है, बहुत यूजेस होते हैं, बहुत बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. सो डैम्स आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड अक्रॉस रिवर विच इन टर्न सेव द वाटर ऑफ द रिवर फॉर इरिगेशन. डैम्स आर नॉट यूज ओनली फॉर स्टोरिंग वाटर. many of our dams serve various other purposes also. They produce electricity for farmers, as I told you, industries and homes. They help in controlling floods. They help in the development of fishing also. Such projects which serve many purposes are known as multi-purpose projects. Okay. So dams को जो है multi-purpose projects भी बोलते हैं. One thing I want to tell you, हमारे जो first Prime Minister थे Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, they gave a term for the dams, that temples of modern India. इनके जो बेनिफिट्स है ना डैम्स के, उन बेनिफिट्स की वजह से हमारे फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने जो नेम दिया था इन डैम्स को, दैट वाज टेम्पल्स ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी हियर सम इंपॉर्टेंट मल्टीपर्पज प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया आर Bhakra Nangal Dam, that is on which river? That is on Satluj River. And you know where is that? In which state? Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Damodar, on Damodar River, that is in West Bengal. Nagarjun Sagar, that is on Krishna River. and that is in I think Andhra Pradesh. Yes, that is in Andhra Pradesh. Mathur, Tamil Nadu. Okay, that is on Kaveri River. Kosi Dam on Kosi River, that is in Bihar. Hirakud, that is in Odisha. Mahanadi River पे है ये. Tungbhadra River पे है, and that is in Karnataka. So children, you have to keep in mind names of dams, and you have to learn also the rivers. जिन rivers पे बने हैं dams, you have to learn the name of the rivers also. Okay, so you can see this is the pic of Hirakud Dam. Okay, so now this is also one more pic of Bhakra Nangal Dam. The Bhakra Nangal project is the most important multi-purpose project of India. This dam is built over the Satluj River. It is the biggest dam in India. It is 518 meters long and 226 meters high. It is also one of the highest dam in the world. One of the highest dams in the world. It forms a huge lake behind it. The lake is called the Govind Sagar Lake. It is the biggest artificial lake in the world. Okay, so this is the Gobind Sagar Lake, and see the view. Okay, it's a very beautiful lake, and the Bhakra Nangal Dam project, when you will go there in Himachal Pradesh or in Punjab, that is very near to Punjab also, you can see, you can go there, you can see there, you can enjoy, you can see the Gobind Sagar Lake, artificial lake, man-made lake. Okay, the project includes the Nangal barrage in Punjab. It has 4 power stations and about 1100 kilometers of canals. It is near Nangal in Punjab. अभी मैंने आपको बताया ये पंजाब की जो है, it is near Nangal in Punjab. It provides water and electricity to Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Delhi. Okay, इन states को ये electricity भी provide करता है, water provide करता है. Some other multi-purpose projects are, here you can see, these are the other multi-purpose projects. The Damodar Valley project, built on the Damodar River. The Mathur Dam, constructed on the river Kaveri. And the Sardar Sarovar Dam, built on the river Narmada. So children, today you have to read page number 78, and this is the part on page number 79 also. So you have to read very carefully, and you have to revise also this thing. Let us revise. Water is the most important resource for the development of our country. Okay, so water is used for various important purposes. Okay, as I told you, navigation, recreation. Navigation is the act of process of planning out a route or directing the travel of a boat, ship, etc. Okay, and what is recreation? All those activities that people choose to do, refresh their bodies and minds, like walking, swimming, games, dancing, boating, fishing. Okay, so this is good canal network in the northern plains. The Bhakra Nangal project is the most important multi-purpose project of India. Bhakra Dam is the biggest dam in India. Hirakud, Damodar Valley project, Chambal Dam and the Nagarjun Sagar Dam are the other important dams of India. In South India, water stored in tank and ponds is used to irrigate fields. Okay. In villages, people dig wells and tube wells to take out underground water. And you have to learn keywords also. Now we are going to do the exercises part. It's very simple exercises part. The main source of fresh water. It's very simple. That is rain. So you have to put a tick on rain. Next is, a dam is constructed to control the flow of rail, oil, electricity, of water. Of course, that is water. Okay, so put a tick here in front of D. Underground water can be drawn out through tanks, canals, wells or ponds. Wells. So the answer is wells. The Hirakud Dam is constructed on which river? That is Mahanadi. Electricity generated from water is called hydroelectricity. It's very simple. Okay. The electricity generated from water is called hydroelectricity. Now you have to put on right, tick right the right statement and cross the wrong statement. There is no water along the coastal plains of India. Wrong. Coastal plains के पास तो sea है, तो वहाँ पे तो water है, isn't it? So this is wrong. The Indian farmer have long depend on nature. Yes. Okay. So this is true. The underground water is deep in the plains. No. In plain area, water is not so much deep. Dams are used only for storing water. No. These are multi-purpose project. And as I told you, water store करने के लिए, irrigation के लिए water use किया जाता है, and electricity produce करने के लिए, and so many purposes. Okay. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is built on river Kosi. No, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, that is on which river? You can see from here, that is on Krishna river. So it is also wrong. Okay. Water is important to sustain life on the earth. The Bhakra Nangal Dam is built on Satluj river. Water is brought up by using electric pump called tube wells. Channels are dug in fields to take water called canals. Rainwater is stored in big tanks in the state of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So it's okay. So clear. So this is all about the exercises part. Children, you have to do exercises also in the book very carefully. You just write all the spellings. Okay, children, have a wonderful time. Bye-bye all of you. Tomorrow we'll do the question answers of chapter number 11.